Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time you are stopping by on my channel, you are welcome. Kindly give us a follow and join the family. My regular subscribers, thank you guys so much. So in this episode, we'll be making this beautiful dress. Let's get started. First thing that we're going to get is our starting line, which is half an inch here, half an inch here, and we'll connect the points like this. Don't mind my short row, my boyas. So this is our starting line. Next thing I'm going to get is my shoulder divided by 2. You'll be folding this by 2. Shoulder divided by 2 is 7.5. Then I'm going to add extra 13 inches. Remember the hand has like a printed effect. So I'm going to add extra 13 inches here for that effect. So I'm going to connect this to the half inch like this. So then from the starting line, I'll be coming down to my bust point. Come down to my bust point, my under bust, my waistline, and the full length of my gown. So depending on how the length you want your gown to be. So I'll be using 23 plus 1 inch, making it 24. So this will be for my full length actually. So I'm just going to connect all the points like this. So this is my bust point, this is my under bust, this is my waistline, and this is the full length of the top. So next thing I'm going to get is to get my neck depth. And remember my neck is 3. I'll be doing the 3 by 3, and this is not the neck line that we are going to be using, but I just want to do the basic. So 3 by 3, and I'll connect it, trying to extend this line to get here. So from this 13 inches that we added for our I'll be coming down by 1 inch, which will be for our shoulder slope. So I'm going to connect this to meet this our armhole, our neckline. So this is our armhole. So from here I'll be coming down by 9 inches, which will be for my bust point. So I'll just connect this like this. So on our under bust right here, I'll be measuring that same 20.5. The shoulder divided by 2 is 7.5, plus this 13 inches that we added here. So it will be giving us 20. So I'll be measuring that 20.5 here. And from here, I'll be coming in by 3 inches. I'll be coming in by 3 inches. So I'm going to connect it like this. So from the under bust, I'll be coming up by 1 inch. So I'm going to connect it like this. Of a curve. So I'm going to curve it like this. Here I'll be taking my body measurement, my under bust divided by 4 plus 1 inch seam allowance, baseline divided by 4 plus 1 inch seam allowance. Connecting it, I'll curve this. So from here, I'll bring it down to the full length. So I'll bring it down to the full length. So from this waist line, I'll be coming up by 2 inches by 2 inches. Then on the waistline, I'll be coming down by 3 inches or 3.5, depending on how you want yours to be. So I'm just going to connect this to here. shoulder slope will be starting from the neckline, not from the 7 inches. So sorry for the mistake. So we're going to connect it to the neckline like this, all the way to the 1 inch. So now I'm going to cut this out. So next thing I'm going to do is to get my neck depth. So remember I said this is not the neckline that we'll be using. So from here, I'll be coming down to the first point. I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to cut this out as well. So remember this will be gathered. See, this will be gathered like this, and also here there will be an rope here as well at the shoulder area. So this is the center front. This is the down front. So here, this I'm going to do a dash and spread. So I'm going to open this off like this. But before that, I'm going to use this to trace out the back. I went ahead to use the front panel to cut out my back. So I'm just going to explain what I did. I didn't know my phone wasn't recording. So for the back neckline, remember I went down by my bust area, my bust point. But for the back neckline, I came down by 6 or 7 inches, depending on how deep you want your back to be. So that is what I did here. You can see this is where the neckline for the front stopped, and this is where the back neckline stopped. So, and also I went added extra 1.5 for zip for seam allowance for the center and also for the neckline. So remember here you're going to gather it, and here you're going to add a rope with your material to give it that printed effect that you see. And also here for the down parts, remember you'll be adding this on fold. So once you open it up, you'll be having something like this. But this is for the back, this is back, this is front. So I'm just trying to show you what it will look like. So I'm just going to do a dash and spread, and then have much of it that I'm going to gather with this. So once you are done gathering it, you'll be having something like this. Let me move the back. So once I'm done with dash and spread and gather it, I'll be having something like this. So, but this is it for the pattern. So I'm going to open all this place up because I'm doing a dash and spread. So this is it. I'm just going to do a dash and spread and then get more of it, and I'm going to print it all the way to the full end. So that's basically all for this. I'll show you the sewing tutorials maybe in my next video. So guys, I'm just going to label this front and this back. So this center back and also this center back. Okay, down. So I'll know it's down part, so I'll not make mistake. So same thing with this, I label this down front, center back. So that's basically all for this tutorial. I'm just going to use this to treat out my front panel. So guys, up to here, if you haven't subscribed, please give me a subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section and I'll answer you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.